We're gonna continue with the speedruns. Today we're doing 7. I'm not doing line art for the 7, by the way. We're gonna go with the way we were painting before, which is shapes. So black and white shapes, and then we add color later. The goal is to bring an image to this level, at least this level of completion. And we have different splits right there. And let's start drawing. This is well beyond composition. You guys got skamazed, by the way. Just saying. This is the actual sketch. Hit the split then. All right, I'm hitting it. All right, we're late 12 minutes. Although this was done way before that. All right, but now we're gonna super skip the sketch. Alright, let's work on the characters. And then I think we're done with the split. This looks a little... Now we know it's a male elf. Just kidding, it's a bow. It's a bow. It's a boner. And split. Gold split, baby. Let's fucking go. Let's go. Oh. Let's go. How are you coloring now? I'm just gonna go through every layer and add the colors. I'll show you. Okay, so if you're confused on how I'm coloring these right now, I'm going on each layer. For example, the the clouds or whatever that thing is layer, I'm just making a new... Ah, fuck it, I'll show you. Look. Alright, so this is the background. It's set to color. This is the thingy. The clouds thingy. I'm just making another layer on top and clip it. And then I'll change it. That's pretty much it. So this one, I'll make a new layer. Okay, it is already clipped. And I will just manually color it like that. There you go. Alright, split. Let's go. Minus 17. Doubters, mod check. Oh, another gold split. Let's go. If you close your eyes and imagine an object, how clear it is to you. 60, 70% clear? Yeah, 70%. Insane speedrun. Yes, I need to stand up. 7 gods in 2 hours. True. True. I'll be honest with you, like, if you want to be technical, this is stream ready, but I will spend more time on it. Like, I did a lot in the sketch phase, a lot more than I than I should have. But I will do some details, mainly on the characters. I'll like clean up the characters a little bit and add some more values. You did all the effects too? I did. I mean, I am gonna add more stuff though. Like, I want to make it starry. $303.56. Chat. That's our PB. Tomorrow or next stream, I'm fucked. But anyways. Like, how long is this gonna go for? Like, I'm gonna be finishing stuff in like an hour. Good luck with that. Yeah. Although I wouldn't call this like 100% finished, but it's, again, stream ready, because stream ready means that when viewers will see it from a small size like this, they can't really tell much of the mistakes because it's so small. Like, this is the biggest size you'll see on stream.